Alright, so last time in my boxes of stuff, I got out these Arduino. This is our 4-axis shield. It runs off of these little motor driver boards. And I had these linear actuators. These linear rods, hardened linear rods. So I got some more stuff in about last week or so. Put it back in there. Go ahead and get out my box. I got 2 boxes came over. So what we got in here? So this stuff was in a little envelope. These little guys are platforms. You know, they're for these linear rods. So you can let me show you what. So they're going to hold the rod off the surface there. So you just go like that. And then down here there's probably about 3/4 of an inch of space underneath here. And then what else is in my box here? So I got a bunch of these. I think I got, I don't know, 12 of those. Inside this box I got a bunch of other stuff here. Got a bunch of these. These says slide unit bearings. These are those linear bearings, but they're actually in a little mount. So this is in a little bag. Let's get this open here. So this is for your platform to put on the bottom of your platform or the top. So here's your linear rod. Some rods going here, and these are threaded holes here. They're probably looks like a M4 thread. So I got a bunch of those, as you can see. What else is in here? We'll get to these things in a minute. Oh, I got some longer ones. So these are 4 longer ones. These actually have, looks like it's got two of those linear bearings in it. It also has a hole, space here for a nipple to put a grease fitting in here. Then I got some of these things. Okay, this is similar. This is similar to this thing, except for you can see that the mounting holes are on a different plane. So this one, they're in the same plane as the rod. Okay, these long guys here. I think this is just more linear rod. There's probably, I don't know how many are in here, 6 or so. There's 4. These are, I think, are 300 millimeters. It's about, I don't know, maybe about 13 inches or so. Okay, so I got a bunch of those. There's 4 more of those. So total, I have now 10 of these rods. And then the last thing is this here. And this is, I've never seen one of these before. I haven't bought one of these. This is a lead screw. You know, everything I've worked on is kind of rinky-dink stuff that uses all thread. You know, it's 440 all thread, and so this thing is actually a machined linear screw with a nut on here. And this thing's got very nice play. In fact, if you really push some force on this thing, you can slide this other threaded thing spins real easily. And there's not much play in this back and forth. It's very small. So it's not a ball screw, but it's a linear screw. I mean, it's a lead screw. So This is a step up in terms of motion control. And I've actually never seen one of these things. I've seen them, I've seen ball screws on CNC machines before, but not lead screws. So I have a bunch of different stuff here. I don't really know what I'm kind of going to make first, but now there are really no excuses to getting things moving.